Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix directions not available in iPhone maps. So in the case that the directions is not necessarily available, as soon as you go ahead and locate a specific location on the iPhone maps, as you see directions is shown right here, what are the ways for us to basically do this and solve this issue? So one of the quickest ways for us to basically do this and solve this issue is actually go ahead and tap on more over here and then tap on report an issue. We could actually go ahead and tap on these options like location on map is wrong, entrance location on map is wrong, or address is wrong. Now let's go ahead and tap on entrance location on map is wrong. We can actually now proceed with adding some necessary details like let's say the both is wrong and provide them with some feedback of our specific issue. Of course, by using this way, we could actually go ahead and contact them and provide them with the necessary information that they need to know that the directions is not necessarily working on this specific location. So tap on send and also provide a specific screenshot so that they can take action as soon as possible and solve the issue for you. Now, in the case that you've already sent that issue, one more quick thing that we could also do in order for us to fix this issue is to make sure that our iOS devices is updated to the latest version. As you see, if we do have an update over on the software update section of your settings, I would like you guys to also go ahead and proceed with updating your applications to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you are going to have the best user experience possible. That's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.